Inshallah, in today class, we are going to see a few formulas of De Moivre's theorem and little concepts. Now, watch here. What is De Moivre's theorem actually? This formula is called De Moivre's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. This n will come here. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos n theta plus sin I n theta. This n will come here. Cos n theta plus, for example, suppose you are having cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 4. So 4 will come here. 4 will come here. What will happen? Cos theta plus cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta. Cos 4 theta plus I sin 4. So this is the first formula. Now suppose if the power is minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power negative minus n. So minus will come here. Cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Cos n theta minus sin I sin n theta. Now next one is 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. If you take this from denominator to numerator, this plus sign will become minus. 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta is cos n cos theta minus I sin n theta. Now the symbolic form, short form of cos theta plus I sin theta is cis theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is shortly written as cis theta. C for cos, I, S for sin. Cis theta is actually cos theta plus I sin theta. Now we are having formulas. Cis alpha into cis beta can be written as cis alpha plus beta. If we are having more than 2, then we can add cis alpha into cis beta into cis gamma into cis delta, whatever. We add this cis alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Now for division we use minus. Cis alpha by cis beta is cis alpha minus beta. Cis alpha by cis beta is cis alpha minus beta. Now you see the next concept. 1 comma omega and omega square are called the cube roots of unity. We are having two formulas for this. 1 plus omega square equals to 0 and omega cube equals to 1. 1 plus omega square equals to 0 and omega cube equals to 1. I'll just explain how these values will come. See here. Cube root of unity means cube root of 1. So let me suppose x equals to cube root of 1. If you cube it, x cube equals to 1. Bring this one here. So this will become a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Separate this one from this, you will get x equals to 1. That is x equals to 1. Here this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? We have to use the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. This is root of minus 3, that is root of 3 into I. So minus 1 plus minus root 3i by 2. Therefore, we have the values of omega as minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 and omega square is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. In short, I explained this one. No need to have all this thing. Just I explain how the answers come. So omega and omega value is this. Just omega cube is 1, and also if the powers are the multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, whatever, omega power 6 will also be 1, omega power 9 will also be 1, omega power 12 will also be 1. So multiples of, if we get omega to the multiples of cube roots, sorry, 3 roots, product of 3 is multiples of 3, then we'll get 1. So next concept, see here. Solution of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Solution of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. We can also say when we have to find all the values of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 by n. Whenever we get in the power 1 by n, we have to use this concept. So to find all the values, or the question is to find the solutions, then we have to use this cos theta plus I sin theta whole power is cis theta whole power 1 by n. So we have to use this formula as cis. In place of theta, you must write 2k pi plus theta. In place of theta, you must write 2k pi plus theta. 2k pi plus theta by n. This will come in the denominator. So cis theta power 1 by n will be cis 2k pi plus theta by n. We are not going the deep concept of this. I'm just explaining the formula. Cis theta power 1 by n can be written as cis 2 k pi plus theta by 1, where the value of k will be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to n minus 1. Suppose n is 4, n is 4 suppose, then what will be the values of k? 0, 1, 2, 3. Because see here, suppose n is 4, then the value of k will be, sorry, the value of k will be n minus 1 means 1 less, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 means 1 less to the value. Similarly, if n equals to 5, then k equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n minus 1, up to n minus 1. Also we can take 1 equals to cos 0 plus I sin 0. I we can write cos 90 plus I sin 90, because cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, 1 into I is I, cos 0 is 1 plus sin I sin 0. Sin 0 is 0, 0 into a number 0. And minus 1 we can write, minus 1 can be written as cos pi plus I sin pi. And minus I can be written as cos pi minus I, cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. Now we have seen some formulas of the De Moivre's theorem. I request you to write this on the paper and by heart this, memorize this, inshallah. This will help you to solve the problems. So inshallah we will going to continue in the next class. I request you all to like this, share and subscribe the channel.